Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Silverado LTZ double cab four-wheel drive, stock number X842A. Only 36,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, Siren Red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 6, leather interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. And power sliding window for additional ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and heavy-duty trailering package. The backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.